Hello everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we'll walk through how to design a personal trainer website using MockFlow Wireframe Pro. To start, add a browser frame as the background. Then create the header using a rectangle. Add a logo. Navigation menu, and customize it as needed. Include a search icon from the MockFlow icon library and add a primary CTA button labeled Get a Quote. The header helps users navigate and access key actions quickly. Next, move to the Hero section, which creates a strong first impression and communicates the core message. Add an image placeholder, overlay it with a heading and trainer's name. And include social media icons. Add one, duplicate it, and replace it with others to keep consistency. For the What We Do section, add a background rectangle, customize its color. And include a title, heading, and short description. Add a phone icon with a number and an image placeholder. Now, create the workout section by adding a title and heading, followed by cards. Insert workout icons, add names, and duplicate the cards while updating content. Next, design the Start Today section with an image, title, heading. Bullet points using check icons. And a CTA button labeled Meet the Team. Then, split the next section into two parts. Add a background image placeholder with overlay text and CTAs. Reuse the layout for a careers section and update the CTA to Contact Us. For the testimonial section, add a title and heading. Create cards with ratings. Review text, username, and designation. Duplicate and update for more testimonials. Next, move to the contact form section, which helps capture inquiries and generate leads. Add a background, title, and heading. Insert input fields, a text area, and a Contact Us button. For the article section, add a title and heading. Reuse the card layout with image placeholders. Article titles. Categories. And publish dates. Duplicate and update as needed. Finally, create the footer with a background rectangle. Add a logo, newsletter sign-up field. Menu sections, and contact details. Finish with copyright text and align everything. Your personal trainer website wireframe is now complete. Align everything properly. To add images, click on each image placeholder and use the Add Image option from the Quick toolbar. Select images from the MockFlow library and replace all placeholders. Once done, you'll have the complete visual layout of your website. That wraps up your personal trainer website wireframe. You now have a clear structure to start designing your final website.